Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to put up our eyeliner. First, gather your tools. You'll need your favorite eyeliner, whether it's a liquid, gel, or pencil. Make sure your eyelids are clean and dry, free from any oils. A quick swipe of an eyeshadow primer can also create a super smooth canvas, helping your liner last all day long without smudging or fading. Now, let's get to the application. Begin by making tiny, connected dashes right along your upper lash line. Start with a very thin line at the inner corner of your eye, then gradually build up the thickness as you move towards the outer corner. It's helpful to keep your eyes slightly open and look directly into a mirror for the best control and accuracy. For a classic winged look, imagine a line extending from your lower lash line towards the tail of your eyebrow. Draw a small, thin line in that direction. Then, connect the tip of that line back to your upper lash line, forming a small triangle. Carefully fill in this outline to create a crisp, defined wing. Aim for symmetry between both eyes for a polished finish. To perfect your look, use a cotton swab with a tiny bit of micellar water or makeup remover to clean up any smudges or uneven lines. A small correction can make a big difference. Finish by applying your favorite mascara to really open up your eyes and complete your makeup. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your ideal style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.